Ki briuna katanat wildlife hariboy kila thangno yu hati klau ubalayap na kajingjia syabat boarding hakawe kajaka balong klau bat kabahap hapo kasnong Tamulchi bernihat. Hasua bantang lale pusmortem syuai utiu hati kabala sakhi da kajingdon Dr. Duwaki rengat harangkat kajingdon usachin gawade DFO ka wildlife uba lening walang RFO badipe jekri boy lembat kiwe. Hadin baladep ban penkut ya kamet nang tala syu thangno ya kamet jong u da kabati da kathliu bat sathang ha kabala le ru kat kum ki kendon jong ka Wildlife Protection Act. Kumpan syu pen kan mau ya kamet uniu hati lalap da kipai ba nong snong ka Tamulchi bernihat henin kasngi ha kaba la pentip sya katan wildlife ki balawan ban toket bat menta kasngi la thangno ya kamet jong neu hati.
Ambil.
Dang doni so. Artu rekrim lang doni wong siaw tamai kile chu ba bobu long ba nang apoi ka Dieng na to ka problem da. Tara sange. Tu na de simbiang.
Kelang tu mesti. Kelang tu mesti.
Me bahan begini hi betul tu. Oh dia tu warna ini.
Bendroy. Oh bendroy.
Ada warna ni ada thang ba.
Thang oh.
Kemding tu gila lah tu.
इधर आ जाओ तुम लोग उधर फिर नहीं आ पाएंगे इधर आ
Sam.
Jangan ini nak usaha apa masa.
Jangan. Malaysia. Oh, tak benar sebab.
Jangan pakai lebar ini cakap itu.
Link kuat ya.
Dalam tabler pum leting pro. Trading. Gas sport dah. Ada black ni.
Yesterday we come to know about this incident. This is basically death of elephant due to electrocution. This electrocution happened due to low sagging 33 kV electric line. Now this is unfortunate incident that it has happened unnatural death of one wild elephant. Just to take this remedial measures, we already instructed MECL to check out such points where the elephants may cross. Will do in coordination with MECL one survey, and we'll try to rectify these errors or the areas where these voltage lines are low hanging, especially 33 kV. Now, after this incident, we come to know, as per procedure, we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are disposal of wildlife article rules 2023. As per that, committee has already been made. Then we all members were present, and then in their presence only, this carcass is burned. Now, this actually veterinary department has done a post-mortem report. They have not given their official report. Still, prima facie, what they revealed to us is that this is death due to electrocution. This is unnatural death, and they will submit report through their competent authority to us maybe tomorrow. So with that will be a kind of evidence or report for us. So as per procedure, now we are just disposing of carcass through incineration. So there should not be any stealing of wildlife article such as its tusk and some other parts of the body. So we'll dispose of carcass as per that procedure. Especially this area is not that much inhabited by wild elephants. This elephant, there is group of 3 wild elephants. It was roaming till Umling. They came down, but since this is national highway is very nearby, we did not expect that they will come to this area. To avoid this such incidents, we need to work in coordination with MECL, especially MEPDCL, who do the transmission this power distribution lines. So for that there is a mechanism to do this joint verification. This is kind of one of the learning for us, and we'll take it that it should not happen after this. That we will do joint efforts with the MEPDCL to rectify such lacunas.